Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Monday.com to manage sales pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Monday.com to manage your sales pipelines, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Integrate button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Integrate button to open the Integration Center. In the Integration Center, search for the specific sales management tool you wish to connect. Once you find the tool, click on it to proceed. Next, read through the integration options presented. Select the most appropriate option for managing your sales pipelines. Click on the Connect button to initiate the authorization process. A new window will appear prompting you to log into the selected sales management tool. Enter your credentials for the Sales Management tool and click Login. After successful login, you may need to grant Monday.com specific permissions. Review the permissions requested and click Allow to continue. You will then be redirected back to Monday.com. Confirm the integration by checking that the connection status shows as active. Now, go to your sales pipeline board within Monday.com. You should see new options and features related to your sales management tool. Customize your board to fit the specific needs of your sales process. Begin utilizing the integrated features to streamline your sales pipeline management. Check back regularly to ensure that the integration remains active and functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.